Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the system. Create a system restore point and copy the current boot files to a backup folder. Once done, install the Windows ADK components you need and open an elevated command prompt. BCD edit and resource tools require administrator rights, so run as admin. Make the image now, a high-contrast 24-bit BMP or PNG size to roughly 900 by 600 pixels works best. Make sure the image name and format match the replacement plan before proceeding. This avoids mismatches later. Now you perform the middle technical steps. Extract the original booters. DLL from the Windows boot folder and open it in a resource editor like Resource Hacker. You will swap the bitmap or PNG resources that the bootloader uses, match the resource ID carefully, incorrect ID break boot visuals. Once replaced, save the modified DLL, then use an elevated prompt to take ownership and assign proper permissions. Finally, copy the new DLL into \Windows \boot \resources while keeping the original backup safe, so you can revert if needed. Finish by restarting the PC and observing the new boot logo. Expect a brief transition while Windows caches resources. If you encounter a black screen or boot errors, boot to Windows Recovery and restore the original booters. DLL from your backup, that immediately reverts the change. Also, make sure Secure Boot or Signature Enforcement hasn't blocked the modified file. If so, disable Secure Boot temporarily or properly sign the binary. If problems persist, use System Restore Point created earlier and contact support with exact error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.